In this video, we will guide you through the entire process of chartering a private jet using PrivateJetHireService.com. This platform caters to both business and leisure travelers, ensuring that you have a smooth, straightforward experience from start to finish. Get ready to learn how easy it is. To begin the chartering process, you must clearly understand your travel needs. This includes determining your desired destination, the number of passengers traveling, and your specific travel dates. By gathering this information, you will ensure a seamless booking experience tailored to your journey requirements. Your next step is to visit PrivateJetHireService.com, a highly intuitive platform designed for ease of use. Here, you will find comprehensive information on various aircraft options available for charter, alongside transparent pricing details. This enables you to make informed decisions effortlessly and quickly. After visiting the website, your next task is to browse through the available aircraft options. PrivateJetHireService.com offers detailed descriptions and specifications for each aircraft, allowing you to assess factors like size, amenities, and flight range. This essential information ensures you choose an aircraft that perfectly suits your trip. Once you have selected your preferred aircraft, the next step is to request a quote. Simply enter your travel details, including dates and destination, on the PrivateJetHireService.com website. Within moments, you'll receive a personalized price estimate, allowing you to plan your trip within budget. After reviewing your personalized quote, confirm your booking by following the prompts on the website. Once confirmed, you will receive an email containing all essential information, including your flight itinerary, payment methods, and any additional instructions. This ensures you are fully prepared for your upcoming journey. As your travel date approaches, it's time to prepare for your flight. Carefully review any special instructions provided in your confirmation email. This email will also contain helpful packing tips and important travel information, ensuring you are well prepared for a smooth and enjoyable journey. On the day of your flight, aim to arrive at the airport a little earlier than your scheduled departure. Private jet terminals are typically less crowded compared to commercial airports, allowing for a more efficient and stress-free check-in process. This will help ensure a relaxed start to your journey. In conclusion, chartering a private jet through PrivateJetHireService.com is a seamless and efficient process. By adequately preparing for your journey, you can look forward to enjoying a truly luxurious flying experience. For more travel tips and insights, remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel.